Well, blue skies and sunshine across the entire area, and the Marblehead Lighthouse cam shows how gorgeous the conditions have been. A little cooler near the lake, with the lake water temperatures that dip back now into the 50s for the season. Look at this, though. Some of the fall colors beginning to take hold on some of the trees. And if you've been out there to enjoy it, the low humidity, the light breeze, and the mid to upper 60s have made for a perfect feeling afternoon. We've got 69 in Findlay, 67 in Defiance, 68 toward Wasion, and 60 spread across much of the Toledo metro, where we're looking at temperatures that are very comfortable. 69 Northwood, Point Place 59, over toward Perrysburg 69, Swanton 67, Sylvania at 68, and just down Route 20 we're over toward Evergreen, where we've got meteorologist John Birchfield checking out some Friday night football. And John, what's the atmosphere like? They seem like they are pumped up for some football tonight.
Yeah, Chris, our 2024 Fan Challenge winners are really showing up tonight. Look at all these kids behind me, all cheering on the Evergreen Vikings. Can I get a go Vikings? Yeah, these are the most spirited fans in the land. You can see the bus behind me says beat Swanton, and I really think the green and gold are representing tonight, and sure, a beautiful night for it weather-wise. You heard from the band earlier. You got the student section over here, and they got ices. What is that?
Ices.
Oh, that looks delicious. Looks delicious. Not exactly evergreen colors, but lots of fun to be had out here. And there's the Beat Swanton bus. Again, congratulations to our Fan Challenge winners. They are really spirited and ready to cheer on the big rivalry tonight. We got lots of Big Board Friday games tonight that I know Tyler Segerman is really looking forward to, and we'll have more interviews coming up in the next half hour. But boy, weather-wise, as good as it gets, Chris. We got temperatures in the 60s right now. Going to be a little bit of a chill in the air after sunset, but I think we know who we're rooting for tonight.
Ooh. I love the spirit that they have. You can see why they won the Fan Challenge Award. John, we call that undefeated with the weather as well tonight. We've got boxes checked on just about every aspect of the weather. Big Board Friday football forecast. We're going to be dipping back into the 50s. Clear skies, dry and pleasant. And right around kickoff time, 59 degrees, mid-50s toward halftime. Perfect for the jeans and the hoodies and the sweatshirts. 9 o'clock, back into the lower 50s for dry weather. We're going to have that pumpkin patch forecast right around 70 Saturday. Mid-70s Sunday, does get even warmer into early next week. We could be touching on mid-70s into Monday. We're going to be short of record highs. Those are actually in the lower 80s early next week, but still going to be very warm for late October. Radar and satellite picture, we've got crystal clear skies across the region. This big area of high pressure bringing dry conditions to the entire region. In fact, if we look from the west, it's about 600 miles to the Dakotas, where there's the first cloud, and off the eastern seaboard, about 700 miles. That's a stretch of about 1,300 miles without a cloud in sight, and a system that is going to be mixing up the weather off to the west, actually bringing some snow into the mountains of Utah and Colorado. They're still expecting another several inches of snow before that pattern wraps up. But for us, that's not coming our way. Our 6 to 10 day outlook shows very warm weather that is still going to continue across the region well into late October. Even a decent start to the morning tomorrow. It's going to have a little chill to the air, upper 30s to near 40 degrees. Little patchy frost west of Toledo. We're back to 70 or warmer tomorrow, and it gets even warmer into Sunday. Highs jump into the mid-70s as we get into Sunday. 10-day forecast gives us smooth sailing conditions into the weekend. Temperatures in the mid-70s Saturday, Sunday, into early next week, Monday and Tuesday, 76. A front on Wednesday will bring some rain showers, breezy conditions, and briefly cooler late next week as highs dip back to the upper 50s and low 60s.